touch it. They look so cute, right? I'm like, oh. I'm trying to get them all, but this thing is like focused. Maybe because of the way she's holding it, maybe? I don't know. No, you know, she probably has the same problem like me, like the timing thing, because you have to be like right on point. No, it is, because she sees she shakes it. It's reading it. She could try going in the front next time, and then she'll see if there's a big difference. I'm getting your butt. I am getting your butt, guys. Can't touch it. Wait, I'm gonna put it there. Can't touch it. I'm gonna put it on a ladder. Can't touch it. I'm putting it on your butt. Can't touch it.